that's the long jump. Okay, redo that.
Too heavy.
So you gotta get that sprinting momentum. Let's do it. So
Ah.
there we go.
Ah.
Okay, definitely extremely short level, by the way. God. Okay. Mix. I guess, yeah, you have to slow down. It's just a mix. It's starting to get better. Whoa, hold on. Okay, I guess that works. I wasn't supposed to jump there. But hey, man, I like to take shortcuts sometimes. It's okay. Phase 2-11. Checkpoint. To start a new tackled level here. Looks like sandstone is our next episode. I guess we'll take out episode once I get over to here. And, oh, come on, lag. Did anyone else see that? It scared me, so I jumped too soon, I guess. See how you do it. See if I can even end off the episode. That's even possible. I shouldn't boast about the future like that. Someone's coming back to kill me. God, how does this happen?
Oh no.